Okay, this is a song, Hundreds of Languages by Gang Gajang. Okay, so I'm gonna sing this cute doggy. I know, everyone loves dogs. Okay, let's start. The spirit grows above 100 languages, and the moon was there for all to see. And the beat goes on across 100 languages, and the sun is the same, yeah, one and the same for you and me. They had many words with the same meaning. They had one voice with which they sang. In hundreds of languages speak to me. In hundreds of languages speak to me. Speak to me. It's only said about 100 times before. It's only words, it's only words. Had stories we spent for generations, handed from one to one all down the line. I hear a voice trying to speak to everyone. I hear a voice that's calling me. In hundreds of languages speak to me. In hundreds of languages speak to me. Speak to me. I hear a voice. I hear a voice, and it's calling me. In hundreds of languages speak to me. In hundreds of languages speak to me. In hundreds of languages speak to me. To me. Hundreds of languages speak 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 to me. Thank you for listening, and I hope you like it. Sorry.